Well, the Beeton Demolition Derby was this Sunday, and it went half decent. Yeah, they took top 3 from the heat to the finals. There were supposed to be 5 cars in each heat, but my heat, one of the cars was unable to start, so there's only 4 in there. So 3 of us from our heat made it to the feature, and then the one that missed our heat ended up going into heat 3. So heat 3 actually had 6 cars in it, and 3 of them went to the feature. And then the consolation, there's another chance to make the feature. But let's take a look at this Camry. So what happened? Well, realistically, everything in the back broke again. This car does not want to drive straight. It does not want to do Camry things that are good for it in the back. It just wants to go crooked and all over the place, and I hate it. Everything is kind of mangled over here. Like, we broke that trailing arm again. These simple fixes just keep taking us out, and that basically slowed me down enough in that really sandy track at Beeton, and then I took a shot where the battery ripped out of the floor. Again, that was probably my own doing. I should have 2 ratchet straps. My own fault that the battery ripped out. And then when I was trying to get it refired, I got a spindle broke in. That's right, guys. We're back to the broken spindles, and then I broke an axle. So what does this car need? This car here needs a spindle, an axle, and the rear trailing arms fixed. So realistically, like, this car here should be less than a day to get fixed. But yeah, it was pretty good derby. I had a great time. I got to see a couple friends there that I haven't seen in a bit, and I got to go back to the track. If you guys don't know, Beeton is actually my hometown track, so it's always nice to go back to my hometown track. And I don't know, it's nice to get back there and see your friends and see the family that you grew up with and stuff like that. But I don't know, always good going back to Beeton. But so what we got to do now is we got to get this thing into the shop. We got to get the front end fixed and see where we can take it next. I don't know, guys, I kind of had a lot of fun in Beeton. I don't know, it's one of those little hometown tracks. There was 15 cars there this year, plus they did power wheels for a small, extremely busy time in derby season. That's not bad. 15 cars is kind of better than what it has been the last couple of years, but it is one of those really small hometown tracks where, like, just the locals go there and they don't go anywhere else. Some of the guys that go there, that is the only show that they do. So it's always nice to go back to Beeton. And this car here is going to be fixed, and it will run again. So make sure you guys stay tuned. There isn't a whole lot of aftermath because nothing really changed on it. The rear trailing arms broke before it went there, so I fixed them. They broke again. And the spindle's kind of new, but to be honest, I broke this spindle last year in Erin. So pretty much the exact same things we fixed to take this car to Schaumburg and then Beeton is the exact same things that broke on it last year. So Camrys don't die from, like, well, some of them do die from, like, motors exploding or stuff like that, or most of them just die by 1,000 small cuts. They don't die, they just get stuck, is what I like to tell people. But what we're going to do is we're going to try to get this thing fixed for the next show. So make sure you guys come back to see this thing get fixed. And you never know, might come to a show near you if you live near me. So take care, guys, and thanks very much for watching.